Hi friends, this video shows how to rebuild database. First you have to connect PS5 DualSense controller to PS5 console using a USB cable like this. Then we have to press and hold power button on the PS5 until we hear two beep sounds. We have heard one beep sound, please wait for the second one. We have heard second beep sound. Now we can release the power button, then go to monitor. There we can see safe mode label, that means PS5 in safe mode. We have to press PS button on the controller, then we can see these 7 options. Here we have to select 5th option, then select rebuild database, then select OK. Now it's rebuilding the database, please wait. After that it will reboot. See, now it's rebooting. Reboot has completed. So now again we have to press PS button on the controller, then we have to select language, then connect to Wi-Fi, then accept license agreement, then we need to add user. So we have to complete all these setup procedures, so that way we can complete the rebuild database process. So this way we can rebuild database. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.